Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is a Lamborghini Aventador, and this is a limited edition, and this is a matte silver edition, and this is in collab with LB Works, and this is by Mini GT. So let's unbox and see how it looks. Okay, here is a closer look at the box first. So here is the Lamborghini logo. Oh, that looks really cool. Okay. Okay, let's open it. So there is nothing inside the box apart from the car. Okay, here it is. Wow, that looks really beautiful. The wheels, the tires are actually made of rubber. So if you are wondering for how much I bought this one for like 900 rupees. Okay, I really wish they had some kind of good fiber here for the headlights. It is not that greatly detailed, but it's okay. Honestly, compared to this, Tommy car does a better job when it comes to having fiber for the headlights. And apart from that, Majorette. So they really does a very good job on putting the headlights. I'll just give you a simple example here. So this is the Audi R8 by Majorette. Look at this. And this costs literally like double the money than that. But still it looks really great. Okay, this doesn't have any openable parts or movable parts. So my only concern with Mini GT is like they could have just gone with a metal piece here for the rear view mirrors, but it is like some kind of fiber, rubber, and it is really delicate. So you need to be a bit careful while handling that one or putting inside a case. Case in the sense I'm talking about cases like this. If you're putting inside like this, then some cars tend to just cramped up inside, so this might break off really very easily. There's some good engine detailing to it. Okay, let's do a roll test. It's okay. Anyway, these are like collectible models. It's not something you can play and use on a track. It has some good weight to it. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe, and it will be a great help if you guys subscribe and support me, so consider subscribing. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.